Real quick, how to install this bolt. When it comes, your bolt will be in a Ziploc bag. Pull it out. Check your rifle. No ammunition in the chamber, no magazine in the gun. We want to slide our bolt in, line the handle up with the entrance here. Now, we're going to take our finger and press down on the trigger. You've got to make sure your safety is forward, so the safety is off, the red is exposed. If you have a round in it, so that's why we check it. Slide your bolt forward, take your thumb and press down on your trigger. Now give it a little bit of a squeeze so your trigger goes all the way. Your bolt slides right in and goes right into position. Now your bolt is in the gun, your bolt is in the rifle. To take your bolt out, you lift up, let it slide down. Again, check that your gun is empty. Take your thumb, press your trigger in, but lift up just a little bit, press your trigger in all the way, and then your bolt slides right back out, okay? So to put it in, slide it in until it stops, press down with your trigger, it slips right into position. To take it out, press down with your trigger, and it pulls right out of the gun. Really easy to do. If you haven't had a Savage before and done that with one of these models, then it can be a little tricky. A lot of people don't realize you got to press the bolt in. So just want to do a quick video and show that to you real quick, guys. So remember, be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.